Most WordPress optimization videos are lying to you. They show you 100% PageSpeed Insights score on a static page and tell your site is super fast. But when a real user clicks your mobile menu, your site freezes instantly. That is INP, interaction to next page. It measures the lag between user clicking something and page actually updating visually. Google made it a Core Web Vital metrics because traditional WordPress cache plugin can easily fake page load speed, but they can't fake real user interaction. If your INP score is over 200 milliseconds, you will fail Core Web Vital test instantly. In this video, I am going to show you how I fixed my site INP score. It went from a failing 200 millisecond score to flawless 50 millisecond. For INP optimization, I'll use 3 different plugins: WP Rocket, FlyingPress, and Perfmatters. First, you have to identify the problem. You can't fix what you can't see. Open Chrome Web DevTools, switch to Performance tab and turn on a 4x CPU slowdown option, because that is where INP failure actually happens. Hit the record and interact with your site. As you can see, my site INP score is over 200 milliseconds. That is because main thread is being completely choked by unoptimized JavaScript execution. When a user clicks, browser is too busy processing heavy script to pen the visual confirmation. To get a cleaner automated look, I use DebugBear. Standard Chrome lab test do not test click. DebugBear does. It actually interacts with page element and pinpoint the exact heavy script causing the delay. Now let's fix that. If you are using WP Rocket, your main weapon against INP is under file optimization. You need to enable minify JavaScript and delay JavaScript execution option. By default, WP Rocket delay non-essential script until user interaction. This stops script from loading until user interacts. It's clear main thread instantly. What if a delay script actually break your mobile menu? If that happens, you must find the specific script and exclude it from the delay. Now, if you want even smarter approach, this is where FlyingPress excels. Instead of just delaying everything until user interaction, FlyingPress introduces a setting called load when ideal. This is a massive game changer for INP. It processes the script during quiet moment before user clicks. If you are on a highly interactive site like a e-commerce store, change your site configuration to load when ideal. But what if a script shouldn't be delayed or load ideal because it simply shouldn't exist on a page at all? That's where Perfmatters plugins comes in. I use Perfmatters script manager to surgically cut the plot. If you have plugins that load JavaScript on a page where they aren't being used, you can disable them globally and only load them where needed. Less code on a main thread means zero input delay. Now let's look at the raw data after delay JavaScript optimization across these plugins. As you can see on Chrome DevTools under same 4x CPU limitation, my INP score is under 50 milliseconds. And over on DebugBear, look at this transformation. My INP scores dropped significantly right into the safe zone. The main thread is responsive, the visual update is near instant. One more thing, stop chasing fake 100% score by breaking your site functionality. Use Chrome DevTools or DebugBear to find your site heavy script and use your JavaScript setting in WP Rocket, FlyingPress or Perfmatters to clear the main thread. I hope this video helps you to optimize your site INP score. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.